All right, guys, today we're going up to Randy Richards' place and we're going to do some machine work on an angle plate.
How you doing, everybody? This is Randy Richard in the shop. I got Chris Anderson here. He's up here visiting. We've been kind of working on a project for how long? Oh,
At least a year.
at least a year. At least a year.
I don't know if we've really been working on it.
Trying to get something done.
Yeah.
Anyway, Chris, you saw in his videos, he made the patterns
Yeah.
for these angle plates. Okay, see that? There we go. These are cast iron, and he's had them cast.
Yeah.
From who?
Sunset Ironworks or Sunset Foundry in Valley Springs.
In Valley Springs, and that's in California, you guys. Just so you know. See that? So, finally they're done, and you had just four.
Yeah, I just made four.
Four made.
If anybody wants some, let me know. We can make more.
So these are 5 inches by 6.5. Anyway, so these are really rough. And we just finished milling one to the worst one, right?
Yeah, it was definitely the worst one.
Little inclusion there, and we got some holidays back in here. Not too bad though. We did the worst one just in case we really screwed this up.
Could always take this back and ask them for a new casting, probably.
But you saved you still have the pattern.
Oh yeah,
stuff,
yeah,
so,
yeah.
you know.
Yeah, the pattern should be good for a long time.
Yeah. So what's this about?
It was 3/4 of an inch first, but it shrank a little bit minimally. You know.
Yeah.
You don't lose much on 3/4.
These are all really, these castings all came out really good.
Yeah.
This is the only one that ended up with a couple of holidays in it. But we've milled this off right here, these two sides, and we've checked them on the plate, and we're about 7/10 out of square in the 5 inches.
Must have been the quality and the pattern making.
Yeah, it's got to be the pattern. I think so. So we're like really happy there. We couldn't believe that we got it that square just by milling it.
Yeah.
And, stuff. So, and they're fairly flat. We, run across a few tenths difference, but not too bad. So we're gonna mill the rest.
Yep.
And hit the edges. And we're probably going to match pair them as far as their heights go when we do the edges. Yeah.
All right.
So you guys, make sure you're watching Chris's channel. He does some good stuff. Good stuff. He's got some old machines.
Yeah. I got a mill that's over 100 years old.
Yeah.
And my newest machine is 57, I think.
1957.
1957, yeah. We'll ignore the drill press. That's pretty
that's
new.
58
but that's
years.
Chinese made.
57. It's I was born in 56, so that's 58 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I found a contemporary for my equipment then.
Old stuff. All right, you guys, we're going back to milling here. We got a lot to do.
All right, guys, we're going to start milling away on this casting. Yeah, Randy, a little bit of a sandstorm going on over here.
Yeah. No, sand. We don't want sand.
You already got it kind of squared up pretty well now?
Yeah. As best we could.
We'll hope so before you start cutting metal off. Right?
As best we could. Well, I need to really replace that. I need to replace that push button on here.
Yeah.
Bum contacts. And if I come back and then we kind of keep our chips going that way.
Oh, that's a good idea.
You know, it just takes a little time. Your extra traverses.
Yeah. It's a good thing they're not paying us for this job, huh?
Yeah, that's right. Oh, we would do that every time if they were paying us.
Oh, you're one of them guys, huh? Union machinist, huh?
Yeah, there you go. Just got hard and a little more here. So we'll go another 20.
Good thing I don't see any blowholes in it.
No, that's good.
This
We're getting better.
This one's looking a lot better than the last one. Get some iron in your diet?
I think so.
Yeah.
I don't think that's how you're supposed to get it, though. Where it's hard on the teeth.
Yeah. Oh.
It's pretty. It's going to be a little ding in the edge, you know.
Well, that one's yours, right?
No,
no, I'm just kidding with you.
No, I'd just go along here and chamfer it.
Yeah, that's probably what I was going to do anyway. So, like I said, that's I'm not going to measure anything square, like squaring up my quarters or something there on that edge.
That looks pretty good. I don't see anything. What do you think? Oh, that one good?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah, that looks pretty. Take my dang ring off.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't see nothing there.
So we flipped it over here. We took our aluminum rods out, and we're just with a milled surface, or one milled surface, up against the block, this ankle plate now. And we check it with levels to see if it's close.
It only took us about 3 times to come up with the right setup here too.
Oh yeah. But this is working actually. It's working really well. The jacks give us some tension, and this is actually working really good.
Yeah.
We're not getting any
I'm
vibration.
gonna have to make myself some of them.
Not getting any vibration or
Yeah.
Yeah. Having stuff that bolts to the table. These are kind of big.
Yeah.
They're for taller things, but they do work. Okay, you're gonna do this one?
I'm gonna do this one.
You want to do this one?
Oh, I guess sure.
All right.
Still clearing over here, huh?
Yeah, so, table up and down. So, that's forward. My tape label came off. Forward, that's where we were running. Middle is off. The sound you hear is the braking. And this is reverse. Emergency stop if you have to.
I hope not.
I've never used it, so I put it in, but I never.
It's probably going to be over before you could hit that anyway. Whatever's going on.
Yeah, it's usually broken right away.
Yeah.
They're spinning. So
the stub is spinning in the air.
Yeah.
So this is going to be a little bit higher out here, right? We should touch off out there, you think, or no?
Yeah, that's the way it's been.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably ought to touch out there.
All right.
It's been that way. So.
Okay. And about how much are you taking each cut?
Well, I'm trying to keep it. I did 25 on that other one as like the max. I think that 25 is plenty.
Okay.
Just so we don't have vibration or cutting
nice.
hard.
That way we can hit our 7/10 again, right?
Yeah. Well, light cuts make a make a big difference.
Yeah.
I did. I mean, that was a 20 thousandths finish cut though. That seemed to be fine. Where the other one we did like 10 thousandths. So.
Well, like you were saying earlier, sometimes it seems like it cuts better if it's
a little
bit more in the cut.
A little more to bite, So.
All right.
Go for it.
So that way is forward, you said?
Yeah, that way's forward.
All right.
Well, now look at that. It worked for you.
Beginner's luck, right? I keep throwing the lever the wrong way, wanting the cutter to move, but that ain't gonna go nowhere.
Well, yeah.
The table's what moves, not the cutter.
Right, yeah. I find it's easier to think about the table moving.
Yeah.
You get it?
Looks a little funny, but I don't
Yeah, it
feel
does.
nothing there.
No.
Yeah, it's just.
Really. Otherwise, it might just be the hatching. I mean, the swirl.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
I don't see any. Right here, there's a couple. You know what? Right here.
Yeah. I'm not too worried about the
That's
stuff
that. Well,
down
that's
in
that.
there. Yeah.
That's that one
Yeah.
spot. There's a couple tiny ones showing here. Take a light cut, maybe take a 10,000ths cut, and
Yeah.
do one more pass, but do it real light.
Yeah. All right.
You know. It's just in this area. Did it each time in the same area. Oh, yeah.
That's strange.
Oh yeah, I don't know why. Oh yeah, it feels really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. See,
I feel a little.
that's what I mean,
It's
but
kind of a
it's
little
right
oilier.
here. But it's just because of this. I don't know if the metal's a little different or what.
Yeah, well, they use all kinds of scrap and stuff, so I mean, you may end up with some weird.
Yeah.
I mean,
But
I'm not sure how the whole process works, but it is cast iron when it's done. But maybe it might have just a little variation in it.
Little emery paper on the plate.
Yeah, a little lapping and
it's going to be just fine.
Yeah.
Just that one there. We'd have to take off quite a bit to get that out.
Yeah, I'm not. It's right on the corner. You're not going to do much at the corner there, so.
Probably about, I don't know. Oh, that's metal right there.
Yeah.
That's not sand. But to get it all out,
Yeah, you're going to take a lot off of it for that.
I don't know, 30. Maybe 30,000ths. 40,000. Like I said, I just would take
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just put a little chamfer on there.
Just chamfer it off, heck, that one.
Yeah.
I think we're good.
All right. We're just going to go make a couple more of these now then.
So.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna mill off the top here, and then we're gonna switch it around, and we're gonna do these other edges down here too. Ready?
Yeah.
All right. Kind of good throwing the chips that way anyhow, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, my camera, huh?
Well, I don't think it's blowing them out there, is it?
Oh, yeah.
A little bit.
That's all right, though. Like I say, it's sealed up good in there. You could throw that thing in a pool 10 feet right now if you wanted to.
Yeah, but. Shoot, nothing wrong with that.
Yeah. Yeah, that came out real good. Right. Let's flip it around, huh?
Since we know this is the short side.
Yeah. What was it measuring there? Maybe we can
About
actually
that.
hit some kind of a logical number here.
Oh,
Or
4935 roughly. So
yeah.
take off 35 and you'd be right there at 49. Pretty close.
Well, let's just go 25 and
I
see.
had a hard spot to measure against.
Yeah. Where's your little round bar?
No, let me put something on there.
Yeah.
No, wait, here. Give me oh yeah. I might even get the middle one all
Yeah, that'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Sure getting really small either way.
God damn.
Oh yeah. I got the middle one there.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's just a little dimple.
A little tiny speck right there.
Yeah. Now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, those are a couple of inclusions
Yeah.
that just showed up.
That's all right. That's what the deburring tool's for.
There you go.
Yeah.
You want to do the paper trick? We can do the paper trick. That gives
I
us,
think we'll probably be okay. I don't know if I'm really ever going to use that for a reference surface anyway. But
I wouldn't
yeah.
use it for that kind of
Yeah.
critical reference
Yeah.
service, but that critical one. But
I guess we could turn this part on, huh?
yeah, just do a real light touch and take 40. Take 40. We can measure it.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah. And then, like I said, do 25, and then we'll set for a final cut.
Oh, that's almost at zero right there. So. Oh, we moved everything back that way, so I got to plunge a little bit.
You're clear.
I just hear it plunging into the edge there a little bit.
Yeah, that's a little
It's like moving. We're not centered.
Did we move the table?
Yeah, I don't think we ever tightened these bolts.
What moved? That one's not tight.
Yeah. Man, whose job was that?
Oh, nothing's tight, huh? Those are tight.
I tightened those, and I think I forgot the other ones. Hey, that's a bad idea.
That's it, yeah.
Oh, hell, that ain't tight either.
That one's not either.
Yeah.
I didn't have the wrench.
We learned a lesson from that.
Oh, man.
Holy moly. Yeah.
Somewhere there.
I think that'll still get it. All right, well, let's try it again.
Yeah. That's okay. So
What happens when we get to talking, huh?
No, okay, yeah. You're right. So add another couple. Make sure you touch.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
All right.
67.5.
60, a half?
Oh, that's pretty good. Alrighty.
I think that's plenty close enough.
Yeah.
Oh boy. So while we're on the subject of castings, this is my next project right here. I'll give you a guess what that is. All right, but this is going to be my project for Emma's toolmaking competition. So make sure you check out her video. I'll put it down here in a link at the bottom. And if you want to make sure and see this, click on the old horizontal mill, and that'll get you subscribed.